Sounds like a great trade if you want to lock in your gains on Bitcoin that's, at a high and trade it in for a real asset that's paying real assets are paying a dividend, and you get capital gains in the backside. So I love that trade.
You know what's interesting, guys? When we're seeing cryptocurrency come back, right? And I think my thought is in 2024, it's the best opportunity for those who are exiting crypto and wanting to get something that's a little more conservative, if you will, right? And be able to, or just diversify, right? And just get something that's cash flow. But I'm seeing this, we just did our first NFT deal last week, and a lot of my clients starting to call me again, where they can exit the crypto. Remember, we've done 13.5 million so far with Bitcoin and Ethereum, use the DST as that bridge and go into multifamily. Or number two, it could be a mix. You could say exit that crypto, put it into a multifamily deal with Colony Hills Capital, for example, get some of that bonus depreciation to offset some of that as well, or all of it. And that's a great opportunity too. It's not likely, it's not often that you see a surge in, let's say, crypto in 1 year and real estate tending to be like this, right? At least trending downwards to buy. So any thoughts on that, guys?
Sounds like a great trade if you want to lock in your gains on Bitcoin that's, at a high and trade it in for a real asset that's paying real assets are paying a dividend, and you get capital gains in the backside. So I love that trade.
Yeah, absolutely. So that's the one we're looking at. And you can learn more about that. Go to capitalgainstaxsolutions.com or connect with Julian, Glenn, or David by going to colonyhillscapital.com to explore the ways to do that, right? Because Julian said it well. It's not just real estate capital gains tax that we can use for that unrealized loss on the K1. It's any capital gains tax, right? From a business sale, from cryptocurrency, from stock. And what a great time to get into real estate right now when a lot of people are getting out, don't have the ability to execute, don't have the track record of performance and management like a Colony Hills Capital. So now this is why we believe 2024 is the best buying opportunity. It's not just lower valuations, guys. It's literally other assets that still are holding some value, like either business sales or crypto coming back. That's what also creates, the unbalanced opportunity to sell at a decent price and get in at a decent price. Because typically the stock market, for example, in 2008, 2011, it took 3 years for the real estate market to really hit a low, right? Whereas the stock market hit a pretty much a low, I think, when the first 6 months of all that happening, and then it worked its way back up. But that's just a concept to be considering.